Often I get asked, how much does it cost to start a jewellery business? And whilst the answer is not necessarily very much, it does sometimes help to have a bit of a cash injection when you're starting and growing your jewellery business. Now, when I first started out, I had saved about £4,000 to £5,000, which I used to invest in my training to become a jeweller, and also my tools and my machinery and just all my startup fees. I probably didn't use all of it, but it was so useful having that money available. I'd worked for a year or so to save up before I started my business so that I was able to really go hard when I wanted to launch. So whilst you don't need a lot of money to start your jewellery business, it can help you to grow faster. Now, the good thing about not having much money to begin with is that we don't overspend. So it does teach us good habits in terms of being frugal in our business. When we make jewellery as a hobby, it's fine to spend whatever we have available and enjoy ourselves. Once it becomes a business, we want to make sure that every penny we spend, we're able to get money back for that plus more. So we obviously need to be able to make profits and so on and so forth. So it changes a little bit from a hobby into a business, and every purchase we make becomes a conscious decision as an investment. So it's very important to be able to manage finances in our business, to watch the pennies and make sure we don't overspend. However, sometimes we do just need a little bit of money to move us to the next stage, whether it's a new tool, new machinery, to develop a website that we want someone else to help us with, to go through a rebranding process, which might cost money to invest in logo designs and all of the different images to do with rebranding. We might need coaching or training in business skills or in our making skills. We might need to purchase a certain amount of stock and raw materials so that we can meet higher demands or bigger orders. There are all different things that we might need to spend money on in our jewellery business, which is why I've created something I call JewelFund. Jewellers can apply for up to £1,000 grant to spend on their jewellery business. And this year I'm going to be giving away 2 grants. So if you're starting or growing a jewellery business, this is absolutely for you. And I would love you to apply to be able to get some funds to move your business to the next level. Now you might be thinking, why would I do this? It's not a loan, it's a grant. So you get to keep it and you never have to pay any of it back. And the reason why is because when I first started out, I know that it can be a struggle. My passion is supporting designers like you to run successful, profitable and sustainable jewellery businesses. And we provide lots of things to help with that. Coaching, training, online courses, these videos. But sometimes there's no substitute for just needing some money to buy that kiln or rolling mill or whatever it is that you need next in your business. So this is my way of giving back and supporting designers who need that to be able to push forwards. So if you would like to apply, I want to know what you're going to be spending the money on and how it's going to impact your business. It's open to absolutely anyone, no matter where you're based in the world or what stage you're at with your business. But if you haven't started your business yet, I'll be looking that you have some kind of business plan in development. And those of you that are growing your jewellery business, I'll be looking at how this can really make an impact to you. The people who are most likely to get the grant will be those that are going to have the biggest impact. So think about that when you're writing your application. If you would like to apply, click on the link below and we'll send you a short application form which you can send back to us, and I'll be looking through all of the applications and making a decision. Now I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do this every year. So if you've missed the deadline for whatever reason, then hopefully we'll be back next year with the same opportunity. So I know how difficult it can be when you're first starting or pushing forwards to growth in your jewellery business. And I'm really hoping that this is going to be able to help some of you with that. I'd 100% encourage you to apply because I would love to learn more about you and your jewellery business. And I'm sure it's going to be super hard to choose the 2 people that actually get the grant. But you never know. If you apply, it could be you. So do click on the link below, and I look forward to reading your application soon. You can also see all of the details on when the deadline is, when to apply, how to apply, and etc. below. It's been wonderful meeting you, and I look forward to receiving your application soon. Alrighty, bye for now.